Okay, so let's take a look at problems 4, 5, and 6. For 4, you should have got A equals 3 times B. For 5, you should have got M equals N take away 4, all divided by 3. And for 6, you should have got M equals 2P minus 2N. So if you got those, then I want you to move on to problems 7, 8, and 9. If you did not get those, then I want you to follow through with these problems with me. If you got some of them, then just skip to the problem that you need to see. I don't want you wasting time on things that you already know. Okay, so remember we are identifying what is happening to the variable and how do we undo that. So in this problem, what is happening is we're dividing by 3, and the opposite of dividing by 3 is multiplying by 3. So we take both sides of the equation and we multiply by 3. When we do this, this cancels out, okay, and we're left with A equals 3 times B, which we can just write as 3B, and that's our final answer. Okay, looking at problem number 5, this one might have been a little trickier for you because there's more than one thing happening to M. So here we have M being multiplied by 3, but we also are adding 4. So when we're dealing with this, we want to actually undo the addition first and then undo the multiplication second. So whatever is attached to M, you undo generally last. Okay? So this means the opposite of addition is subtraction. So I'm going to subtract 4 on each side. So subtract 4, subtract 4. Again, I don't know what N is, but I know how to write a subtraction statement. So I write 3M equals N take away 4. And right now, M is being multiplied by 3. The opposite of multiplication is division. So I divide this by 3, but I have to divide this whole side by 3. What you do to one side, you do to the other side, the entire side. So you get M is equal to N minus 4 over 3, which is what we have here. Okay? Looking at problem number 6. So again, here we have that thing where there's more than one thing happening to our variable. We are dividing, but we are also adding a variable to it. Okay, so again, we undo the addition or subtraction first, so we take away N first. I get M over 2 equals P minus N. And then the thing that undoes division is multiplication, so we multiply both sides by 2. But everything on the right side has to be multiplied by 2. So not just the N, not just the P, it has to be everything. So we have to distribute there. So we're left with M equals 2P minus 2N. Okay, go ahead, try problem 7, 8, and 9. Come back to check your answers.